Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Riya. Today I'm going to show you how I did this 4 beautiful eye makeup by using only one palette. So let's start. This is the Beauty Glazed color board eyeshadow palette. You will get 4 boards with this palette. The first is the green one. With every palette you will get mattes, shimmers and glitter shades. And these are the swatches. Just look at that, these are so pigmented. Then this is the red one, then comes to the blue one. On this board, some mattes are not that pigmented, but shimmers and glitters are damn pigmented. And finally comes pinks and purples. Let's quickly start with the first look. Concealing my eyelid with this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. Then I'm taking this darker green shade and creating a line like this. Patting to my entire lid as you can see. Taking this shade to soften the harsh line. Doing the same to the lower eye. With this yellow shade, I'm softening the previous color. Patting this green shade to the middle of my eyelid. Look at this pigment in just one swipe. Finishing it with Maybelline Colossal Mascara and falsies, and that's it for the first eye look. Now moving to the second look, I started creating an outer wing with this orange shade. Dipping this brown shade from the blue palette to deepening the outer corner. With this shade, I am softening the edges. Doing the same for lower eye. Taking these 2 green shades and applied them to my inner corner. Picking this yellow shade and applying it to my crease, then place it on my inner lid. Applying this red glitter using my fingertip. These are pressed glitters, so we don't need any glitter here. Placing this orange shade to the inner lid. Finishing with mascara and falsies, and that's it for this look. For third eye look, I'm using this darker blue shade and placing it to my crease. With this sky blue shade smudging the previous shade. Then connecting the lower line to the crease with dark blue shade and smudging with sky blue shade. Placing the same shade to the full eyelid. Taking the blue glitter and patting that to the center of the eyelid. Applying plum eye pencil to the waterline. Finishing it with a coat of Maybelline Colossal Mascara and falsies. Placing this shade to highlight on inner corner and brow bone. And that's it for this look. Moving to the last eye makeup look. And for that, taking this purple shade and creating a thick wing. Taking this pink shade and smudging the purple shade. Dipping my brush to this pink shimmery shade and applying it to my middle of the eyelid. Finally blending all the edges. Finishing with a coat of mascara and falsies. And that's it for this look. You can try these 4 looks as they are so easy and look stunning on the eye. Let me know which one is your favorite. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If so, please like this video and follow me on my social media. Please consider subscribing this channel, and I love you all. Bye guys.